Welcome to this demonstration of the V2I real-time Ripley Valley application created as part of the Federal Government Smart Cities and Suburbs Grant. The Home menu screen enables the user to select from a variety of modes. Design mode is to be used with a standard keyboard and mouse. Oculus mode requires a VR headset. Showcase mode is to be used with a gaming controller, and the user can also view reports and other media files. Starting with the design mode, the self-contained application will load in a few seconds. And once an aerial overview of the region is shown, the user can start interacting with the 3D environment. At this regional overview level, the menu items on the left can be clicked to display various information overlays. For example, the PDA boundary shown in red, a number of regional tags which can be clicked to move over to that specific point of interest, with the ability to return back to the Ripley Valley at the push of a button. Overlays such as the main roads in the region, bus connections, future and existing rail lines, as well as LiDAR data for existing build form and vegetation in the area. Moving on to the Ripley Valley menu tab, a number of aerial images can be used, for example the 2010 aerial, 2018 aerial and 2019 aerial, to monitor the progress of construction and development in the region. Starting with the 2010 aerial, the initial PDA plans can be shown as overlays. And the overlay opacity slider at the bottom of the screen can be used to reveal the underlying topography under the plan overlays. The 2018 aerial contains a number of local amenity location tags for education, community service, and a number of other categories. Each of these tags can also be clicked to move over to the specific area of interest. The master plans of the major new developments in the region, as well as the land use plans for these developments, can be overlaid also. Once again, the overlay opacity slider can be used in conjunction with these 2D overlays. Turning on the 3D base tab will reveal the 12D roads and earthworks for all projects, as well as buildings, proposed trees, and activation being people and cars on the ground level. The vegetation button enables 3D vegetation surrounding these sites. Using Interpac's White Rock development as an example, the user can click to ground anywhere on site and freely walk around and explore the scene. This can be done in pedestrian mode, or using a drone, fly across the entire development and appreciate the unique topography and layout of each project, with layers selectively disabled or enabled. A variety of measurement tools can be used within this true-to-scale 3D environment. V2I Real-Time enables the user to generate communication collateral at an instant. For example, using the snapshot tool to create perspectives and mark up these images or attach text annotations. These perspectives can be compiled as a PDF or emailed out directly. The user can also create direct video animation output at the push of a button. All movements will be recorded. When the button is pushed again, the user has the ability to preview the recorded animation, save it or discard it as required. Where available, additional media items such as reports, or video content can be displayed for each site, alongside a number of planning overlays, once again in 2D format, with your overlay opacity slider at the bottom, revealing the topography underneath. In addition to the new developments, major road and infrastructure elements are also represented in 3D and can be experienced from the ground or an aerial perspective. Moving on to the Infrastructure tab in the menu, items such as roads, power, water mains and sewerage mains can be displayed for the existing and proposed environments. The Flood Mapping menu tab shows the extent of various floods in the past and shows how adopted flood regulation influences urban design in the Ripley Valley. The Environmental tab contains parks and reserves in the area. The Home icon in the bottom left corner returns to the Home menu screen. Oculus Mode enables the user to explore immersive virtual reality representations of the Ripley Valley project. Showcase Mode enables the user to explore the Ripley Valley project using a gaming controller, which is an intuitive way of exploring the scene. This simplified user interface makes it easy to select a hotspot on any of the available projects, to walk around using the joysticks on the gaming controller, with the ability to launch a drone, and the user can navigate to any other project. The Reports tab can be used to view and present any digital document, and the Media tab can contain any type of video or animation content, with an integrated media player enabling the user to move through the video presentation.